In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Outlook search not working. If Outlook's search bar isn't returning results or feels incomplete, don't worry. We'll walk through a few reliable checks in the Outlook desktop app on Windows. Start by opening Outlook so we can adjust the built-in search settings. The most effective fix is to rebuild the search index. This index is essentially Outlook's quick lookup database. If it becomes outdated or corrupted, search breaks. In Outlook, go to File. Then Options. Choose Search on the left, and click Indexing Options. In the window that opens, select Advanced, then choose Rebuild. Confirm the prompt. Windows will start recreating the index in the background. This can take a while, especially if you have a large mailbox, so it's normal for search results to be incomplete until the count catches up. You can keep using Outlook while it rebuilds. If you have multiple mailboxes or archives, indexing will naturally take longer. So set expectations accordingly. While you are still in Indexing Options, click Modify and make sure Microsoft Outlook is checked. If it's unchecked, Outlook won't be included in Windows search and results will be missing. After verifying that box, click OK to close the dialog. That simple check saves a lot of frustration. Next, give your system a quick refresh and update Outlook. Close Outlook completely. Go to File. Select Office Account. Choose Update Options and click Update Now. Updates often include fixes for search reliability, so it's a good idea to make sure you are on the latest build. Let the update finish before you continue. If Outlook prompts you to restart it after updating, go ahead and relaunch. Finally, confirm that the Windows search service is running. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Search. The status should show Running. If it isn't, select it and start the service. If it repeatedly stops, make a note of that behavior after you finish these steps. When this service is off, Outlook can't return search results properly. After completing these actions, give the index some time to rebuild. Then try a search you use often. You should begin to see results fill in as indexing progresses. Keep your computer powered on and Outlook open for a while to help it finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.